Batch processing allows you to export your data into many different formats. FCS Express 5 allows you to create a list of actions that can be performed for each sample that is analyzed. From the Batch tab, you will find the Batch Actions Editor and the Batch Processing options. First, click on Options to look at the batch processing options. New options in FCS Express 5 give you more flexibility in batch processing. In your options, you can edit the amount of iterations that need to be analyzed for your batch. You can also determine if and when to pause during the analysis to manipulate the gating strategy. FCS Express 5 has the ability to pause unconditionally between samples. FCS Express 5 can now pause conditionally between each sample, letting the user define when to pause during batch processing. Once we have defined our options, we can start adding actions to our Batch Actions list. From the Batch tab, click on Batch Actions to open the Batch Actions Editor. The Batch Actions Editor is a dockable window and can be embedded in the side of your layout. To start creating your actions list, click on an action under the Add Actions section. Edit the properties for the action. As you click OK, the action will be added to the list. Your data can be saved into other formats as part of the process. Click on Save to PowerPoint. Samples can be exported to individual PowerPoint documents or combined into a single PowerPoint document. Under Output File Options, click on the folder to navigate to where the file will be saved and assign a name. You can export your data to Microsoft Excel by using column mode or by using cell mode to work with a specific spreadsheet template. For example, insert an Excel column mode option. Click on the folder to navigate to where your file will be saved. Once created, we need to tell FCS Express what information is to be part of the export. Under the Add Item to Report section, click on the type of token or text to be added. You can drag and drop plots or gates to add items to the report. When dragging a plot, choose whether you want to add a statistic or a keyword to the Excel report. For each item added, FCS Express will extract this value for each sample and write the value to the report. Statistics can be added by dragging and dropping a gate. In the Edit Statistic window, select a statistic. FCS Express will export this statistic for each sample. Statistics can also be dragged and dropped from default or custom tables. Folders can be used to help organize and maintain the batch process actions. Items can be dragged and dropped to insert them into a folder. Uncheck the box if the contents of the folder do not need to be performed during batch analysis. Once the action list is set, click on the Run button to perform the batch analysis. When batch processing starts, FCS Express will perform each action for each sample in the data list. If pausing was enabled, FCS Express will pause based off the condition that was set. Click Continue or Run to end. Once completed, your data will be available in many different formats. If you have any questions, email us at support@denovosoftware.com or visit us at fcsexpress.com.